bird head. Teeth, probably jaguar. Could be lion based on the fur that's on it. Natural furs, natural shells. The rest of the bird's body. Horn. I don't know what type of horn that is. Some African animal, domestic or wild. Or this thing really belongs in a museum. Close up of those yucky teeth. Let's see if I can pick it up with one hand. Shake it. It's meant to rattle. And I'm not doing a good best video of it here, but I'm working along. Hard to do some of this with only one hand. See, that reddish fur suggests lion, but it could be goat. It's somewhat stiff though, like a lion's. Let's see if we can rattle it again.